When are you actually opening for pupils?
In September. Well,
in September?
We've got pupils on a temporary site now.
Everybody coming back in September?
Millions of children have to wait until September, but this morning it was back to school for the Prime Minister, as Boris Johnson promised more cash to rebuild England's schools.
This initial chunk for the 50 schools is just the beginning, and we're acutely conscious of the need to refurbish and repair. And we see the advantage of putting in long-term investment for the country, but also driving job creation now.
The Prime Minister has pledged £1 billion for 50 major school building projects in England. There's also £560 million for schools that need repairs in the next academic year. But the National Audit Office says almost £7 billion is needed to bring schools to a satisfactory level.
I was telling staff, you've got to empty your classrooms now, you've got to get out.
In October last year, this primary school in Oxford had to be evacuated after falling into disrepair. It's now being rebuilt, but the head fears the government's money won't go far enough.
Once you start distributing out amongst schools, and we're far from being alone. I know that schools across the country are in a similar position to how we are, and that money won't go far in the big picture, I don't believe.
While schools like this say any extra money is welcome, unions say it comes after years of underfunding. Also visiting a school today, Labour's leader said repairs are needed, but so is getting children back in the classroom.
The Prime Minister needs to be just as clear about what his plan is for getting children back into school in September, because what we've been lacking for the last few months is a plan for schools to get children back into schools as quickly as possible.
There's no doubt schools like this desperately need extra investment, but not all schools will benefit, and some say the money simply won't be enough. Layla Hayes, 5 News, Oxford.